Dear students, we will do a new module 54. This is about computation of professional income part 1. In this, two problems we will do. So we will go to the first problem. It's very simple problem. Once we will do it, you will know that. So first problem, Dr. D, a doctor gives the following cash book to compute his income from profession for the assessment year 25-26. It's very important you have to check whether the books are maintained on cash basis or on mercantile system. Mercantile system meaning sale of medicines, opening stock plus closing stock plus purchases minus closing stock you have to do. If it's cash basis, direct value we can take. So it's very important. So here it is maintained on cash basis. Receipts and payments account. Receipt side, to balance brought down 10,000, to consultation fees 60,000, to visiting fees 45,000. So here title should be there, professional receipts. So that is first one we will take. Consultation fees. Consultation fees 60,000. 60,000. Now visiting fees 45,000. Visiting fees 45,000. 45,000. Now gifts and presents. Gifts and presents. Gifts value 8,000. If there is some adjustment, we have to reduce that. Then sale of medicine 42,000. Here it is cash basis. Sale of medicine 42,000 we can take. 42,000. Then dividend from UTI, it's exempted. LIC maturity amount exempted. Interest from national defense bonds exempted. Payment side, rent of clinic. Professional payments. Rent of clinic. Rent of clinic value is 18,000. 18,000. Purchase of medicine. Purchase of medicine value is 32,000. 32,000. Next is staff salary. Staff salary is 24,000. Surgical equipment. Surgical equipment. You have to charge 15% depreciation for that. 40,000 into 15 by 100. Into 15 by 100. Next is motor car expenses. Car expenses, if its personal expenses are there, we have to reduce that. Purchase of motor car. There also, you have to reduce you have to provide the depreciation. So car also depreciation you have to provide. Household expenses 7,000 we will not consider. Closing balance 2,000. Now, you have to see the additional information. 50% of the car expenses were for personal expenses. Car was purchased in December 2024. That means if they have used only for 180 days, 6 months depreciation only they will get. Household expenses include rupees 6,800 paid for personal life insurance. That will not be considered. Gifts and present include 3,000 from relatives. So from gifts we have to reduce 3,000. So the value will become 5,000. Now closing stock of medicine 12,000 and opening stock of medicine as on 1/4/24 was 4,000. That we don't have to consider because books are maintained on cash basis. Compute Dr. D's professional gain for the assessment year 25-26. So consultation fees 60,000, visiting fees 45, gifts from gifts and presents 8,000 minus 3,000, 5,000, sale of medicines 42,000. So take this total, this value is 1,52,000. 1,52,000. Now expenses, rent of clinic 18,000, purchase of medicines 38,000. 38,000. Staff salary 24,000. Depreciation of surgical equipment 40,000 into 15 by 100, it's 6,000. Now car expenses we have to see. Depreciation of car 1,40,000 into 15 by 100 into 6 by 12. So the value car depreciation, the value is 5,250. 5,250. Now car expenses partly for personal. So 8,000 divided by 2, 4,000. Now professional income, take the total of this. The total is 95,250. So this 1,52,000 minus 95,250, 56,750. So this is the professional income of the doctor. So this is how we will calculate. Now the second problem. Second problem. From the following receipts and payments account, compute professional gave an advocate for the assessment year 25-26. Balance brought down 6,540. Legal fees. Professional receipts. Legal fees will come. Legal fees, the value is 84,400. 84,400. Second item. Salary as part-time lecturer. That will go to income from other sources. Interest on debentures, it will go to income from other sources. Gifts from clients, 10,000. Gifts 10,000. Gives 10,000. Rent 6,000. It will go to income from house property. Interest on foreign securities 8,000 will not come. Now we have to check the expenses. By rent, professional expenses. First one is rent. Value is 2,400. Telephone expenses, we have to see if there is any personal expenses. Telephone expenses 3,000. By salary. Salary value is 2,400. Subscription to law journals. Subscription to law journals. The value is 240. Traveling. If it's for official, we can allow. We have to see the adjustments also. Traveling 560. Office expenses. Office expenses. The value is 600. Purchase of stamp paper allowed. Purchase of stamp paper allowed. The value is 1,600. 1,600. Now, donation to school not allowed, income tax paid not allowed, municipal tax not allowed, LIC premium not allowed, wealth tax 1,600. We'll see the additional information. Loan was taken for the construction of house property which is self-occupied. Fair rental value of the house is 3,000 per month. It's not allowed. Donation given to school is recognized school as an approved institution by the income tax authorities. He can claim that in 80G. Gifts from clients include gifts received from his father 2,000 that we have to reduce. So if you see the computation, legal fees 84,400, gifts it will 10,000 minus 2,000, it is 8,000. So take the total of this 92,400. 92,400. Now expenses, rent 2,400, telephone expenses 3,000, salary 2,400. Subscription to journals 240, traveling 560, office expenses 600, purchase of stamp paper and court fee stamp 1,600. So total of this is 10,800. So his expenses 77,600, 81,600, 81,600. That is his professional income of the lawyer. 81,600. 92,400 minus 10,800. So two problems. When we will do that, you know that it's very simple. See that if it's a doctor, what all can be his professional income, what all can be his professional expenses. Just like an advocate also, what all can be his professional income, what all can be his professional expenses. Depreciation values and all you have to remember. This is how we will do the computation of taxable income of a professional, and it's very simple. Learn this problem and you can get it for the examination also. This is what I wanted to explain in this module. Happy learning. Thank you.